Today we're diving into SignWell, a platform that claims to simplify the e-signature process. But does it really deliver on that promise? Let's take a closer look at what makes SignWell tick and whether it's worth your time. SignWell is an e-signature platform designed for users who want a straightforward way to sign documents online. At its core, it offers essential features like document uploading, customizable templates, and the ability to track signatures in real time. The user interface is clean and intuitive, making it relatively easy for anyone to navigate, even if you're not tech savvy. What stands out immediately is its focus on simplicity. You can send documents for signing within minutes, which can be a huge time saver. However, a few areas might feel unclear. For instance, while it mentions integrations with popular apps, the specifics aren't well detailed on their site. This could be frustrating if you rely on specific software for your workflow. The intended audience seems to be small businesses or individuals who need a no-fuss solution, but larger enterprises might find it lacking in advanced features like bulk sending or more robust security options. Let's break down the pros and cons of SignWell. On the plus side, its user-friendly interface and quick setup process are definite strengths. If you're looking for something that gets the job done without unnecessary complexity, this could be a fit. However, there are some frustrations. Users might find the lack of detailed integration options a bit limiting. Additionally, advanced features like in-depth analytics or enhanced security are missing, which could be a deal breaker for those with more sophisticated needs. Pricing is also worth mentioning. While it's competitively priced, the absence of a free trial might deter some cautious users who want to test it first. Overall, if you're a freelancer or a small business owner, SignWell could meet your needs, but larger teams might want to explore other options. In conclusion, SignWell is a solid choice for anyone seeking a simple e-signature solution. If you're looking for straightforward functionality and ease of use, it's worth considering. However, if you require advanced features or robust integrations, you might want to look elsewhere. Overall, it's a decent platform, but be sure to weigh your specific needs before diving in.